Hello, third grade, and welcome to our reading skill for today. Now, we have been practicing main idea for quite a long time now. Now, I want to see how much you can do on your own. I will slightly get you started, but you will be reading this passage out loud by using the record tool. We all practiced that this week in our close reads to make sure we remember how to use it. I want you to highlight the topic of the entire passage. Remember, the topic is one word that repeats in the whole story. The main idea is one sentence that the whole story is about. And there are details that support the main idea. Remember, you can look at the first sentence and the last sentence to help you figure out what the main idea is. Now I'm going to give you a couple of color coding. I want you to highlight the topic as you're reading in blue. You'll highlight the main idea or parts of the story that help you decide the main idea in red, like the heading of paragraphs. And on the next page, if there are any details, you will use those colors to help you. But the topic and the main idea, remember the topic is in every single paragraph. The next thing you will have to do is you will have to label your paragraphs. Now I will do the first one for you. Remember, paragraphs start with an indent, which is a space from where the text starts. And then it ends when the next paragraph begins. So that would be my first paragraph. And I'll start here, and this would be my second paragraph. Label all of the paragraphs so then when they're talking about them on the next page, you know where to look back to. On page 2, you are writing a complete sentence describing what the topic of the sentence is. Ignore the crayon. Number 2, which sentence best tells the main idea? So find the main idea of the text. Look at the beginning and the end and the topic to help you. Details that help you determine the main idea. I want you to add at least one. Then you'll have to look at paragraph 3 and find the main idea of paragraph 3. What does only paragraph 3 talk about? Then you'll have to find why do anacondas spend most of their time in the water. It says choose all that apply. There could be more than one. And number 6, what is the topic of paragraph 6? Once you are finished with this reading page, then you'll continue to the next reading activity.